Hello everyone, it's Kate and Weather here. Today we're talking about the severe weather outbreak. Yes, severe weather outbreak possible today in the northern United States here. We do have a very widespread enhanced risk, as you see on the screen right now. And we have a very widespread tornado risk and a very big and very widespread wind threat. So definitely, I'll have the exact details on the wind threat, tornado threat, hail threat, and the enhanced risk, which you're seeing right now, coming up in today's video, and the future track radar, so you know exactly when the severe weather will happen in your area coming up, so stay tuned. But what you're looking at right now is the enhanced risk for severe weather here. This includes parts of Montana, and North Dakota there. So Montana and North Dakota, look how long this is. It includes almost like half of Montana there and half of North Dakota. That is how big it is. So this could include an entire state here. This is like about the size of Montana here. Just it's not in the whole Montana. But yes, almost the whole size of Montana is how widespread this enhanced risk is. So yes, very widespread enhanced risk right here for severe weather. Let's go and take a look at our slight risk here, which is right here for parts of Montana and stretching all the way to parts of Minnesota. So yes, that includes parts of Montana, South Dakota, North Dakota, and Minnesota there. So again, I forgot to mention, in the enhanced risk here, you could see large hail and damaging winds, wind gusts up to max of 80 miles per hour. And you could see large hail damaging winds in the slight risk and wind gusts at the max of 40 to 60 miles per hour. And you see in that green shaded area there, that is our marginal risk, dark green shaded area. That includes Minneapolis. So you guys could be on alert, but you guys might not see much. It's the city of Bismarck that needs to be on alert. The city of Bismarck, you guys are on enhanced risk today, so definitely. Now let's go and take a look at our tornado risk. Before I get any further, I would ask that you leave a like and subscribe if you like weather-related videos. But here is our tornado risk. Again, look how widespread this is. Very widespread here. Very widespread tornado risk here for parts of Montana, South Dakota, and North Dakota there. Very widespread. And look how many counties that, it's not like big though, it's just pretty widespread, very long. But look how many counties this includes in Montana here. That's a lot. So definitely 5% tornado risk there, right there. And a 2% tornado risk right here for parts of Montana, North Dakota, South Dakota, and a little bit of Minnesota there. All in that 2% tornado risk. So we could definitely, and probably will, see a tornado warning or a tornado come out today. Definitely. Again, 2% tornado risk here for a very widespread area there. Definitely have a way to get those alerts and be weather aware. So let's go and take a look at our wind outlook and hail, sorry. The wind will be way stronger than this. The wind is way bigger than this, but let's go and take a look at our hail threat here. So this is very widespread here, so parts of Montana, North Dakota, and South Dakota there, all in that biggest area of seeing hail. All see this yellow shaded area here, really big area there seeing hail in parts of Montana, North Dakota, South Dakota, and Minnesota there. In that 15% chance of seeing some large hail. And then you see that green shaded area there, that's our 5% chance of seeing hail. That includes the city of the Twin Cities there, Minneapolis, St. Paul. You guys could see some hail. But yes, that is our chances for hail. But just wait. Look at this. Very, very big widespread chances for some wind. Look at this. Very big area here of seeing some winds. It's a big threat and it's very widespread, which is not good. Because you could see some really strong winds and lots of big areas here. So if you live in the circled area, move your cars in the garage. Definitely not cars, but definitely like move any flower pots in or anything. If you have like cushions outside, definitely move those inside or in a wind protected area because those could definitely be blown away. But yeah, but definitely also move your cars in the garage because you can see some hail. But yes, that is the biggest threat for hail. As you can see right here, we have that 30% chance of hail here. Yes, definitely big, large hail in a widespread area. And this yellow shaded area here, that's our 15% chance of large hail there. You see that green shaded area there, that's our 5% risk for large, big wind. Sorry, if I said hail, I meant wind. But yes, that is our threat. Now, before getting further into tomorrow's threat, let me time this out for you guys. So, starting off over here, in Montana, in this area. So, this is about 1 o'clock. So, this is, not that far away, but yes. So, 1 o'clock, just about 1 o'clock here. And we start to go ahead, and the storms start to really fire up around, 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock here, Mountain Time. Definitely see some storms start to fire up here. So lots of storms here. That's pretty big storms, but let's wait to see what happens here as we go ahead and go more into the future here. So I want to zoom in here just to give you a better idea. So definitely they start to really fire up, and this is around midnight here. Look at this line of storms in Montana here. Lots of storms here. Very big storms. So and then they go out of this area. So let's go ahead and take this further here and look over here. So they definitely move in, and this is about midnight, like I was saying, and they really start to like get really strong here, and they're still in Montana at this point at about 1 a.m. to midnight here. And then let's go ahead and take this a little bit further, and then this is when they start to go into North Dakota and hammer North Dakota. This is going to be a late night situation. This is around 3 in the morning here, halfway to get those alerts. 3 in the morning here, we start to see those storms really start to fire up here in North Dakota. Look at all those storms there. So then we show, wow, look at that. This is around 4 a.m. here, and wow, just look at that. That is purple. This indicates a really strong storm right here. Definitely super strong storms there. Wow, that's a really strong storm. And then they start to, this is still going on. You guys have to wake up early and start your day or go to work around 6 a.m. They're definitely still a thing. Really strong storms here around that time. So very strong storms still a thing at that time. And then, wow, I just see it says purple here. That is really, this is around like 7 a.m. here. And it just really just starts to get my attention here. Wow, really strong. See that purple right there? That indicates a really strong storm right there. So yes, definitely some strong storms. And then they start to go into Minnesota, and they're still super strong around 10 in the morning. And they finally, after this super long time of being a storm and really strong things, we get a break. But then look, we get another line of storms, but look at North Dakota and stuff. We finally get a break after that. But I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Real quick, as you look in the center of your screen, we do have a slight risk tomorrow, as well as a tornado threat tomorrow. And we do have a hail threat and a wind threat. And I'll have detailed forecasts on that tomorrow in tomorrow's video. But for now, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you like weather-related videos. So definitely leave a like and subscribe. Stay safe and stay weather aware. We do have a big tornado threat, very widespread wind threat, and a very widespread enhanced risk. See that red subscribe button right there? Click on that to subscribe. Leave a like, subscribe, stay safe, stay weather aware, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!